Time is ticking. Hindi ko ma-open. Hi, my name is Vivoree, and today I'm going to do a K-beauty inspired makeup look in 5 minutes. First thing is powder kasi since 5 minutes lang naman guys, wala nang time mag-foundation and everything like that. So, powder. I'm using BYS. Pero actually, yung mga Koreans kasi hindi sila masyadong mahilig sa too much makeup. Ano lang sila, BB cream or one layer lang ng foundation. I got into Korean stuff simula nung nakilala ko yung BTS. Next is blush on, siguro. These are the shades. Okay, I'm just gonna use my hands. I think this is what they call drunk blush. Parang ganon. Yung kilay ko. Pinifeel ko lang yung gaps. Yung mga Korean, hindi sila mahilig sa pa-brush up. One minute. Wait? Oh, okay. Then curl ng lashes. Minimix ko lang yung mga eyeshadow. Actually, never mind. Oh, wait!
10 seconds.
Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. And go. Oh! Okay. Okay, time's up. So, ito po yung Korean-inspired makeup ko. Hindi ko alam kung achieve ko siya or anything. Yung Korean makeup, it's like more on parang bare face lang, pero may lip tint, like colored yung lips nila, and then yung eyeshadow nila. So that's what I'm doing. I think I did a great job. Pasado ba, guys? 감사합니다.